Okay, tank pad update number 2. It was a week ago, actually a little over a week ago, when I emailed them and said, hey, where's my tank pad? And they said, we'll have it out in 3 days. Yeah, so they hadn't started on it. Well, said it'll be mailed out Friday. Well, Friday came and went. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Finally, Wednesday, I get a notification from PayPal saying your item has been shipped and it will be delivered Saturday. That will make it day 40 from when I first contacted them, and probably 25 days after actually when I paid for it. I had to do the math. But anyway, so I just sitting there and I look up the company's Facebook page and just seeing if this is standard operation procedure for them. And several people seem pretty positive about them. So I wrote down my experiences with them. And I was honest. I told them, gave a timeline. I wasn't derogatory or nothing like that. And I get an email back from the person pretty quick. They weren't quick on sending my stuff out, but pretty quick I get an email back from them. And it said, I saw your review. I hope you might be, I know you might be upset, but let me educate you on my past 5 weeks. First of all, I don't need you to educate me on anything. Don't talk down to me. I'm your customer. I gave you money to do a job. Educate me? Condescending. Okay. I know the tank pad is important and it may seem like I've dropped the ball, but medically my family has been going through some really bad shit. I have broke my wrist. I have had skin cancer removed from my body, a lot of it. I've had 2 separate occasions where I ended up with stitches, a lot of them. I ripped a bicep tendon right out, and I went through a week where I thought my wife had breast cancer. Oh yeah, my son was hitting the eyeball with a golf club. This is the reason for the delays. I'm really sorry it took so long, but in life sometimes bad things happen, and for whatever reason the past 5 weeks have been total shit. Hopefully you have to go through something. I'm assuming that's supposed to be hopefully you never have to go through the month my family has, especially finding out that my wife may have cancer. Pretty much sucks as much as anything can suck. Thanks again. I'm really sorry for the delay. I hope you have some kind of understanding based on what I've told you. That's fine. You had no problem immediately jumping my ass to correct a negative review I put on Facebook, but you, in the last 5 weeks, you have not had 10 seconds to say any of this. If you'd have said, hey man, we're running behind, I'm busy, I have personal issues, nothing, I'd have waited all summer and not thought twice about it. But to be ignored, you didn't have a problem with jumping up and getting on PayPal and sending me an invoice and cashing out money, did you? But to send this, I really am sorry for your medical problems. Having wife thought you had cancer, I understand how traumatic that would be. I've worked with a guy I've had to rearrange his entire schedule for the next 6 months because his wife actually did have breast cancer and she's going through treatments. I understand, not firsthand, secondhand, dealing with him, how traumatic that is. But again, you had all the time to do this, but not once did you have the time to say, running behind, man, sorry. I'd have been perfectly fine with it. Okay, you also had time to, on 2 separate occasions, you've had stitches. Seems like you're doing a lot of things other than working. Right? If you're out doing something, were you working when you got those stitches? Were you out playing? Your son got hit in the eyeball with a golf club. Man, what I would do for my son is just unlimited. But I know if I'm having this much family trouble in my job and everything else, maybe my son ain't out playing golf, he's helping the family. But that's how you do your family's your thing. That's you. But again, all it would have took is a simple email like this, or even just one line out of this email. If you'd have sent it any time in the last 40 days, we wouldn't have had a problem. Okay? Again, I will pray for your family as much as you want, and I feel bad about everything that's happened to you. But business-wise, this is unprofessional. And once that tank gets here after 40 days of originally contacting you, it'll be the last time we'll have any contact. But I will give you, I will give them back, show the tank, and give an honest review of the quality of it. Other people may have a lot better luck ordering from them if it's good. We'll see then.